Once our mustard sauce starts to begin boiling here, you can see that the alcohol is cooked out of our wine and also out of our bourbon, so we just have the flavor now. So we're going to measure out a half a cup of heavy cream. And then the same amount of our vegetable stock. Again, because we're using, this is a chicken dish. If you don't have vegetable stock, but only chicken stock, that'll work as well. So we have a really nice mark on here, on both sides. We're going to add our chicken as this comes back to a boil. And while we're waiting for that to do that, we're going to take some scallions, and we're just going to chop right down the length of them, just until we get to the light green part, and we'll stop right before the whites. Throw the whites out, and we'll go over these to make sure that they're cut, like this one didn't go all the way through, to make sure they're all separated. And then, as this slowly begins to simmer, we're going to add our scallions all the way around the edge.